How to fix iPhone notification not working after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Launch your settings app, scroll down, open the option notifications. Now scroll down. Over here you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app in which you are having this issue. Toggle on for the option of allow notifications. Likewise, check in for all these options and then toggle on for the option of sounds and badges. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings. Open the option screen time. Click on the option content and privacy restrictions. Now you have to toggle off for this option of content and privacy restrictions and then check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Open the option general. Scroll all the way down. Click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone notification not working after iOS 17 update. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.